Sambre'ell and our motto here is, if it ain't growing, it's dead. And without change, there is no growth. So as you can tell by the title today, we're going to talk about how to make 2022 your best year yet. Vision boards, setting goals, and turning habits into routines. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Also know that when you see me look down, I am keeping track of notes to keep, everything flowing, to keep it organized. We love organization over here. Okay? Alright, so how to set goals and achieve your goals. So you want to write them down, you want to make them very specific and plain. If it's a car you want, you're going to name the model, you're going to name the year, you're going to name the color, the inside. However, and you want to write down any obstacles that you may have or might come from, write the goal. Let's say if you want to lose 20 pounds, and like the reality of it is that you're going to be unmotivated some days, you're going to have cheat days some days, and you want to feel like giving up. That's the reality. That's our obstacle, and you want to realize, you want to write down and identify those obstacles and how to go around it and about that. You want to make a plan on how to accomplish your goals. So if your goals are to lose weight, then how would you do that? Working out 3 to 5 times a week, meal prepping, drinking a gallon of water, things like that. And then you want to have a timeline. So will it be 1 year from now, 5 years from now, a couple of months from now? Have yourself a timeline to make it realistic and achievable. So when you're writing down these goals, you want to visualize that. And with visualize, you want to go straight into vision boards. So your vision boards help you with clarifying, concentrating, and maintaining focus on a specific goal. It gives you a clear vision on what you want. Helps to amplify your goals by seeing them every single day. And it just makes you believe that it's more possible to achieve. Like seeing something every day, it's going to be like a call to action, like you're actively pursuing it, you're actively going after it. It's a constant reminder, a visual reminder. It reminds you of the bigger picture of what your ultimate purpose in life is. It helps you just keep a tunnel vision on your goal, turning good habits into routine. So when you get into good habits, you want to introduce it to yourself in baby steps. You don't want to just abruptly just do something like that. It's not going to work out. It's not going to work out. It takes time for your habits to become automatic. Like it's on autopilot. You automatically know to wake up and do it. As for me, I was already reading books about 30 minutes a day. Reading books every day, meditating, drinking lots of water. And those are habits, but I wanted to make that a routine for every day. It was easy for me to make that an everyday thing. It became automatic. Maintain the habits that bring you joy. So if you like exercise and stretching, do that. It's going to bring you joy. Reward yourself for following through your good habits and having them turning into routines. Reward yourself with things that you associate with the things that you love, or what you love. It could be eating ice cream, going ice skating, reading a book, taking a nice long bath, and relaxing, a spa day, anything that's rewarding to you. And you're going to remove any distractions. There are going to be distractions. You just got to push past that and remove them. When you link a new habit to an existing one, the new habit is more likely to become a common practice. I do have a morning and night routine. If you guys want to see that, let me know down below, or I'll just be uploading. The little things go a long way. So, and also routines help to build discipline for achieving your goals, getting things done, having that, and also having that hyper focus on what it is that you need to accomplish. You can focus on one goal at a time. If that works for you. I know that with the goals that I've written down, I'm gonna show y'all real quick. You probably can't see the words, but you can see the check marks. That's the goals I've already accomplished in 2022. And also know that your goals and routine are gonna change as you grow. And that's okay. Like everything, it takes time. Everything is growth. You're gonna change it. Also, yeah, look at your goals every morning and every night, because things change once again, but it's also that constant reminder of what you're going after. And that's all I got for y'all. I mean, just, continue to keep focusing on your goals. Feel disciplined, be aware of your goals. Don't give up on your goals. Don't give up on yourself. And always aim high, because if you aim high, you'll never get low. Alright? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We're growing. We're trying to grow here. And I know that we will within a year. We'll look back and be like, dang, we did that.